It's gonna be a beautiful day of progress. We've got Andrew back there building chairs for the goat patio. Liz and Angie are kind of inspecting the floor flatness, which I know is not 100% flat, but it should be good. And today I'm hoping to finally get down some tile. It's like 10:30 and I haven't even started working, which is ridiculous. Let's see what she says.
I have nothing to say. What?
Oh, that's what I figured.
What? I don't know what you were talking about.
You were looking at my floor.
Okay.
And what'd you think?
What do you think?
Okay, let's go look. So it's definitely better than it was a couple days ago. And we're hoping it's gonna work.
I might have.
Yeah, you added a little mud, that's okay.
It's authentic Simon's Farms dirt.
That it is. I am so tired already, and I only got that far. My goal is to start now in that corner and work my way out. No cuts, just come straight out, put all the cuts on this end. Hopefully that'll be a faster technique. I'm exhausted already, and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I literally just missed my mouth. I think lunch is on the way, but I'm not sure. I know more lumber's on the way, more paint's on the way, and yeah, it's not going good. It's not fun, at least. The floor's so unlevel, it's ridiculous, but we're trying to make do. Hopefully it works, hopefully it doesn't crack, and hopefully it looks good. Oh, I am so done. So done. Whew. I just hope it works. It's really bad. If you tile, please don't judge me in the comments, or go ahead, because I don't really care. But it's done. I just hope it doesn't crack. It's super unlevel, lumpy, but it makes it look like a farm store. You know, it looks like wood, and it's got bumps. But I just hope it works. Subscribe and follow. I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to bed. And yes, it's only like 5 o'clock. I'm actually not going to bed. We're going to have dinner with Rob and Jenna. And a drink, or 6. I'm just kidding. Probably 2. But oh my gosh, am I going to sleep like a baby. Subscribe. See you later. Bye. This part sucks. When you think you're done and you still got to clean up.